Kaizer Chiefs is the most useless team in the Betway Premiership. Ayikho team useless njenge Chiefs ku Betway Premiership. So bahambile bahlanganisa ama player bahlanganisa yonke into bayokhahlela amajida we Pirates bese bazodliwa iswelele. Imagine losing 2-0 to Swelele FC and then you want to claim the status of being a big team in South African football. Ayikho indaba ye Chiefs. We even said le game le bayidlalile against the Orlando Pirates bekumele bathenge lo referee cold drink. That's the only way badlala draw ne Orlando Pirates because Ozuna Police bekakorile besides lomchita lo korile uKamhelo Sibelebele Pirates beyiwinile 2-1 le game leya. Akuna Chiefs ebuyile. The situation at Kaizer Chiefs hasn't changed. Uyazikhohlisa wena mangitshela ukuthi situation saku Chiefs ichangile ayikho into echangile. The only thing that has changed is that baku number 3 this season, but number 3 is not an achievement for them because when was the last time the Chiefs contended for a league? 2020. Count how many seasons after that. Chiefs are contender for a league. Chiefs nalesikhathi ba win Nedbank Cup ubonile ukuthi bayiwine kanjani. Ayikho indaba ye Chiefs. The only thing that needs to happen ku Kaizer Chiefs khona manje is that lama coach ayi2 mele bahambe get an actual coach like Pitso Mosimane, a coach that's qualified to coach owazi indaba zakhe, coach owaziyo kunjani compete for a league.
Catch the full convo on our YouTube channel, Omni Audio Africa.
Omni Sport.